2020 in the books. Kind of sad it's over, honestly. But all good things come to an end. And this year was a pretty good year. Pretty good yields through beans and corn. So had a pretty good year. Kind of sad it's over. I really don't want to end the video because once I end the video, that's it. It's done. No more Harvest 2020 videos. But yeah, he's got that little offset back there. I don't know if you can see him way back there, but he's got that little bit left, and we'll be done. So, yep, stuffing corn in my pockets. So yeah, we're done. I don't know what we're gonna do. I might turbo till a little later today. Might get video of that, I don't know. It's gonna be tough if I do. But yeah, there's gonna be still good content to come. We got 1,100 acres to turbo till, so there'll be lots of that. And yeah, so lots of that, lots of us hauling grain. Man, I'm sad it's over. But, oh well. Oh man, I missed. But yeah, so he's coming back now. And we're gonna fill this truck up, take it to the elevator, take the header probably back to Grandpa's, and it'll be the end. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I've put a lot of time into these videos. I mean, not as much as some other guys because I don't do any editing. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This really means a lot to me. So yeah, he's gonna come. It's gonna come dump, and it's gonna be it. Harvest 2020 in the books. Hey, thanks guys for watching. Thank you for, just thanks for watching. It really means a lot. So yeah, that's it. Bin's empty. We're done, so see you guys in the next one.